Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of WildCraft with unlimited gems. So let's get into the tutorial and I'll show you how to get it. So it's pretty easy. Let me just show you the site. It's called tweakmod.com, I believe, where we can download this WildCraft mod. So just go to the search bar and type in wilds, and as you can see, there it is. So now the mod has begun downloading, and before it downloads, there'll be a page that comes up that says there are some missing files that need to be installed. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's just wait for this to finish here. As you can see, all right. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So let's just let it do its thing. As you can see, all right. So it's almost done. All right, so basically it is now going to bring us to the page that says missing files, and we just have to download those. So as you can see, it's going to say missing files are required for WildCraft, and there's going to be all these apps, and you just have to download like 2 of them. There is a video to watch if you don't know what you're doing, but they're all like run for 30 seconds or reach level 5. So you just press on the app. It'll bring you to the App Store, and then you just download it and complete the instructions. So I'll see you guys later, but that's how to do it. It's pretty easy. And there's tons of apps on here, so you guys shouldn't have any problem. If one of them really pisses you off, there's other ones to do. So once you're done, you should have your WildCraft hack, and you'll have unlimited gems. So it's pretty cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this is super insane, guys, as you can see. And the apps are pretty easy to do as well. I did the Family Island one. We have to reach level 10. It's not there anymore, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'll see you guys in another video. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you guys want to get free stuff in WildCraft. It's pretty epic. So I'll see you later, and peace out.